Guys, we just got back from breakfast, and we are just gonna get ready real quick, and then we're gonna go check on what the other guys are doing. We've been in here working on the channel, doing some editing and other stuff. So see you in a bit. Ooh,
look at that diamond.
looking fresh. Alrighty, so we're gonna go see what they're all. Ooh.
Where's my transportation?
Ooh.
Where is
Ooh,
that?
he was
Who
taking
is
that
that?
shot. He's hiding
Who is that?
in that GUAWPA outhouse.
So this is the GUAWPA transportation. When you want to go from the bedroom to the pool table.
You got the pool table. You got the bench. The Bowflex. The furniture room.
This is where it all goes down. Alright,
The hallway. And the GUAWPA cave. J-Rid's just waking up. This is where it all goes down in here. This is where we slept last night. Oh, we got some leftover pizza rolls. We got a little toasty. So he's bringing the fan.
It's so litty in the GUAWPA house. It's lit every day, bro. Jake Paul. What's up, bro?
So we just got dressed, and we're just gonna screw around a little bit today and see what there is to do. Oh, I don't know if I showed you this, but someone tried to break into our house. Yeah, so not sure what they threw, because I looked for like a baseball or like a rock or something, and I couldn't find anything. But yeah, so we're gonna have to get that fixed. So that's all your money, your winnings. The winnings. Go check that out, the basketball trick shots video.
We be making money.
You made 2 G's. And then the scooter racing. J-Rid, 400. No, but you gave me 200 at the very end. What are you smoking? No, I'm just screwing with you. You never took it. Did you take it?
You didn't take it. Oh. Well, it don't matter because you know I just be making that money. So it don't matter. I don't care if I lose 200. I'll get another 2 racks in about 20 seconds. Underscore, bounce on me, that puppy. Puppy!
IG, hit him up. Alright, I'll pick it up in a little bit.
So, we're just heading out the GUAWPA house. It's the GUAWPA pooch. Got the caddy, got the G truck, GUAWPA truck. Oh.
Get some new shoes on this, buddy.
Yeah, you gotta get some new shoes.
Should
we show them? This is the baby. Everybody's gonna be packing up in this mall. Very sunny outside in the GUAWPA neighborhood. Holy crap. We own this neighborhood.
That's why we're playing basketball at their house.
Yep.
We were in the other house earlier, or later. When was it? Our last video?
Yep, our last
or
video.
a few videos ago.
Yeah, it would have been 2 videos ago after this.
No. This one, 2 behind it. No, so it was our first intro video in the vlog.
Yeah.
Vlog number 2, GUAWPA house. Then the basketball, and the scooter, and this one. Yeah. For 5 videos. It's gonna work.
Look at this.
The GUAWPA mobile's never dead. There's always a lot. If it can pull, it works. You might not go up any hills. Yes. Back the bikes into the walls. I mean,
I'm trapping and rapping, still got them babies in custody. My diamond me dancing, living the mansion. My life is lovely. Ain't no more loyalty. Now I guess I pay the loyal. She can get up with 20s. You wanna
So we're just gonna show you a little house tour, I guess. This is our GUAWPA
Big
house.
house tour.
There's 2 bedrooms, one right there, and
The bathroom.
one right there. Got a bathroom. Wrong light. Got our bathroom.
We got
Show you that young laundry room. And then, the kitchen. It's a big, nice kitchen, but it's really messy.
where it goes down. We don't even really use this, like the upstairs of the house.
Yeah,
The basement, you'll see it's
so much better. Well, we use this for the pizza rolls. But honestly, like, we made some bacon this morning. Oh, we got the GUAWPA fish. Where's he at? Did he die? Oh, there he is.
nice fish. And then
Face fish.
here we have our family pictures of all of our families.
Yeah, then we got our couch, our living room, and the GUAWPA dog, like we showed earlier. Her name's Bella. She's a black lab, she's cootie. And we got the TV. Popcorn hopper, you already know.
There's more upstairs,
The downstairs is the,
that's it.
well, we already showed you a little bit of the downstairs, but we'll show you kind of like we showed the main areas that we actually use, but we'll show you like it's not all finished yet. We have to get some of it like built and like new walls on it and paint and stuff. But, like this is kind of like a hallway. Well, we got an air hockey table, but we don't use it much. Got like a vintage pool table, or what do you call it, pinball. Oh, these things are for the GUAWPA truck too.
Yeah.
But then these are like a little desk. That's like storage room back in there.
Little hall.
Yeah, this is the hall, like I showed you earlier. The young theater room. It's where we grind our games. Playing Black Ops 3 a little earlier. And then, like I said, there's a bunch of furniture in here. We got our little workout station a little bit. We got like a Bowflex and a bench and some mats to do like push-ups and pull-up bar. This is gonna be another bedroom. Well, this is one of our bedrooms. That's another one. And this one, yeah, here, this is another one too. But this one's not, yeah, that one's not done yet. But yeah. Oh, and this is gonna be another bathroom down here, but as you can tell, it's not done, not even close. We just have all of the tools and stuff in there for the people to come do the work. And yeah. So that's basically it for the GUAWPA house tour. I mean, there's more stuff upstairs, but like we said, the downstairs is kind of like
Where it goes down.
this more like the upstairs is more of like when we have people over. The downstairs is more of like our man cave.
And this door.
Oh yeah, and this little door right here kind of
sneaks up.
leads upstairs into the garage, and the GUAWPA truck's right over there in that wall. So yeah, once it all gets done, this will be like a living room. Where this is, will be like a fireplace here and a TV up there. And then back here will be the kitchen. Over here we'll have the pool table will go over here.
Alright guys, so sorry about the short vlog, but unexpectedly Jay Rids had to leave with his mummy. But anyways, yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and
My diamond be dancing, live in the mansion. My life is lovely. Ain't no more loyalty. Not the West, I'll pay the loyal. She could get ugly. Put 20 inside the seat. I pull up on you and